Hi, my name's Seon, and apparently I'm a maker. I've spent most of my working life sitting in front of a computer, creating art and visual effects, coding, and game development. They all require an enormous amount of time spent in front of a screen. I've also spent much of my non-working life sitting in front of a computer too, as computers have always been my hobby since I got my Commodore 64 at age 13. I've always had the urge to start working more with my hands, beyond my amazing mouse and keyboard skills of course. I've been interested in electronics since I was a child, but I never pushed myself to go beyond the basics. I always found the mathematics behind analog electronics intimidating. I've also been interested in working with wood for many years, but felt the only way to do that properly was to invest in a lot of tools, and I felt I didn't have the space to set up properly. About 6 months ago, I realised that this time, I just couldn't shake the urge to start making stuff. And in a span of 3 weeks, I purchased a bunch of power tools, bought a 3D printer, and enrolled myself in an Arduino for Beginners course to get a head start in working with microcontrollers. I also started consuming copious amounts of YouTube content from some of the most amazing and inspiring makers around the globe. I had a goal. I wanted to become a maker. I kept telling people that I wanted to become a maker, telling my friends and family that I wanted to create things. And one bright spark turned around to me and reminded me that I make games, and I used to make art and 3D graphics, and suggested I've been a maker all of my life. And that realization was totally unexpected. My name is Seon, and I am the Unexpected Maker. Join me on my old and new journey as I discover things I enjoy making and things I don't. Watch me fail and succeed, with hopefully more ups and downs. And of course, if you're enjoying my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And please click on that bell to be notified when I post new videos. Until next time, thanks.